If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these Alexander McQueen shoes into these very lightly but beautifully embellished shoes, keep watching this video. YouTube. So today in this video, I am going to be embellishing a pair of Alexander McQueen tennis shoes or sneakers. And these are a really good friend of mine. These are her shoes. And next week is her birthday. So she wants to, this is going to be a part of her birthday outfit, wearing these shoes. So I'm going to do this like kind of like an unboxing and kind of tell you about the shoes. So these shoes, I looked them up online, and these shoes, I believe they retail for $600 or like $580, you know, somewhere around there, right? And the style of them are called the Larry, which is, I think that's kind of funny, Larry. So these are the Larrys of the Alexander McQueen. And they are crispy white. Crispy. So it's quite a heavy shoe. It has a really thick sole on it. These designer shoes, I think that's kind of like the thing with them. They have a very heavy sole. So I'm assuming that this is a very comfortable shoe. And for that amount of money, I would really hope so. So it's a nice sturdy, ooh, it's nice and smooth leather. It says Alexander McQueen right here on this, the tongue of the shoe in gold. And it says it on the back. Now I know how people are with their labels sometimes, and they want to like show what it says. So I asked her, I said, do you want me to go around this so you could still see that it says Alexander McQueen? And she said no. So she said that these shoes do come with bling on this back area, but instead of $600, they're actually $850. So let me show you. I looked it up so I can just kind of show you. See that? Just the back part. And just for that back part, they want a whole extra $250. Isn't that crazy? I even looked up the pair that had rhinestones on the whole shoe, and that shoe is $1,300. So apparently these shoes are a big deal. Okay, and they're nice. They're nice. So I'm just gonna take both of these out. Look at them. I like how they got these shoestrings strung up here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Now I see there's a little something here on the back. I don't know if you can see that. Just a little smudge of something. I'm gonna wipe these off gently with some alcohol. And then also with these shoes, you get some type of little card. I guess it tells you about the shoe and how to care for it. And it even gives you an extra pair of shoestrings, which I think is really nice. They give you an extra pair of shoestrings because, you know, once shoestrings start getting dirty on shoes, the shoe is pretty much done. Especially for a designer shoe. Like, look how white these shoestrings are. If you get something on them, you want to really wash them out or just get another pair. So I think that's a nice touch. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, you guys. I'm going to be using like a 5mm and like a 3mm rhinestone and glass AB. Glass AB rhinestones is what I'm going to be using. They have that holographic look to them, and I think they're very pretty. They're good, high quality, so that's what I'm going to be using. Glue on these shoes today, and a wax pickup tool. So I just started off by adding a little bit of glue on here, and I'm just going to go back and forth between my 5mm and my 4mm rhinestones. So I'm just taking the rhinestones and pressing them on top of the E6000 glue. Now, I'm not sure if I mentioned this or not, but I'm only going to be doing this back area of the shoe because that's how they look on the website, and that's just how she wants them. So I'm not going to do the entire shoe. So I'm just going to start off by outlining this back outer area, and I'm just randomly adding multiple sizes. Now I started out just using the SS20, which is like a 5mm, and the SS12, which is like a 3mm, I believe. But as time went on, I kind of almost ran out of my 3mm, so I ended up using some very tiny stones I found that I had, thank goodness. And I like that even better. So I'm just kind of filling this in randomly. I guess you can call this like a scatter method. And I really like adding the very tiny small extras. I end up finding like SS4, SS6. I think I even used some SS2 as the video goes on, because I just did not want any spacing. And I just really wanted to come correct with this shoe. Not just because it's designer, because anything that I do, I want to make sure I do it well. But you know, seeing how it looked on the website, I wanted it to look just as good as the ones that cost $850, if not very close, just as good. To be honest, these took way longer than I expected. I didn't expect it to take that long because I figure it's just the back of the shoe, you know, and around the ankle area. But as I started using 2 and 3 little bitty millimeter rhinestones, getting in those itty bitty little spots, it became so time consuming. So consider that when you're taking on something that you're going to bling out, a cup, wine glass, shoes, whatever it is. If you're going to be using those itty bitties, that will almost probably double your time that it will take to complete the project. But because I felt like it was just too much white spacing in between. So when I started to use those itty bitty ones to fill it up, I just thought it looked so much better. I decided not to cover up the name brand of the shoe, Alexander McQueen. I thought it looked better. You'll see at the end. I thought it looks better to just leave it as is. So I'm starting on the second shoe. And I'm just kind of doing the same thing. I'm just kind of outlining my area. I just feel like it's best to do it that way. But you can definitely just go line by line. There's so many different methods of laying your rhinestones. And I'm still working on perfecting mine. I just try to, you know, get it as neat and tight and close as I can. But there's so many different methods. There's so many different ways of doing this. There's people who do this professionally, and people who like bling out cars and like, you know, just huge things. And I don't have any desire. I wouldn't even want to think of giving someone a quote to bling out an entire car. I like to bling things, but not everything. Like I wouldn't want to bling someone's TV or I don't know, like small stuff. Yeah, that's like I look forward to. But if it's something so drawn out and just forever and long, I'll probably get bored with it. But I'm almost finished with these shoes. They're so cute. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these Alexander McQueen Larry. That's the name of the shoe. That's what it says on the box, Larry. So maybe these are men's shoes. Maybe they're unisex shoes. I don't know, but these are in her size, which is a women's size shoe. Anyway, these shoes are so pretty. I love some iridescent rhinestones. They almost look purplish, pinkish with a pinch of green in it. They just look so adorable. And then they have so many different colors just hitting off of them. I absolutely adore these. Now I know everything isn't for everybody, but these extra grew on me seeing them with these rhinestones on the back. So it's like in the front, it's like casual, sophisticated, but then it's like a party in the back. You know, it's like I guess like a mullet haircut. Sophisticated in front, party in the back. That's what I think about these. So let me know what you think about these shoes. Would you buy the plain pair, bling them out in the back yourself, save yourself $250? But thanks you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, give it a thumbs up or share it on Facebook or send it to someone who was thinking about getting the shoes. Subscribe to this channel if you'd like to. If not, thanks for stopping by. And if you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be alerted when I upload new videos. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. If you'd like to, you can follow me on Instagram at lifeisawholevibe with underscores in between each word. And it's the same name on TikTok. Thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye.